Curious about what the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the most powerful and feature-rich model in the Galaxy S26 series, might look like? Newly published renders from Android headlines give us a clear idea. At first glance, fans will notice a familiar design. Much like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra sports a flat frame with rounded edges. But for the first time since 2021, Samsung is reintroducing a camera island on the back instead of placing each lens individually. This move makes it resemble the Galaxy S25 Edge in appearance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to measure 7.9 millimeters in thickness, with the camera island protruding around 4.5 millimeters. That means the phone may wobble slightly when placed on a flat surface, a common trait of Samsung flagships that only a centered island can truly fix. The video also highlights a new S Pen placement at the far left bottom corner. This adjustment was likely necessary because the S26 Ultra is slimmer than the S25 Ultra, which was 8.2 millimeters thick. As a result, the S Pen's end cap, often called the clicker, has been redesigned. It's no longer flat, matching details from earlier leaks. Those hoping for a bold new look might find the S26 Ultra underwhelming. The real design shakeup is coming with the Galaxy S26 Edge, which is expected to feature a large camera island stretching across the upper half of the device. This setup resembles Apple's new camera plateau on the iPhone 17 series. While the lenses remain in the top left corner, the wider island technically makes it a center design. Still, while the S26 Ultra may not stand out much in terms of exterior changes, it could impress in daily use. Reports suggest Samsung will equip it with its most advanced OLED panel yet. Already seen on a rival device, the screen is rumored to offer much higher brightness and richer colors. Samsung is also testing a new privacy mode that narrows viewing angles, making it harder for others to peek at your display.